Well, it's that time of year when everyone's reaching for the Kleenex and the cold relief medicines. But for some, that nagging cough is cause for concern. In a special health check at 6, Ed Doney shows us how to tell the difference between the symptoms of a common cold and something far more serious, Ed?
Linda, even when the runny nose or sore throat goes away, that cough can linger. Doctors tell us it could be winter allergies or a much more serious infection that makes it hard to breathe. Sheila Dial will be celebrating her son's 7th birthday today. But first, she's taking Levi to the Oklahoma Allergy and Asthma Clinic to stop his cough, which would be quite a gift to this concerned mom.
Very frustrated because you try to help him. You don't know how. He's had a cough, runny nose, severe sinus infections all the time, so we decided to get the allergy testing done.
Dr. Greg Metz says Levi isn't alone. In fact, our dry and windy weather has made mold spores an allergen that is making a lot of Oklahomans cough lately.
With the dry, kind of cold air, that can irritate the lining of the airway, and it can lead to drainage in sort of irritant fashion.
Upper respiratory infections can cause a cough that lingers for weeks, but one pediatrician says prolonged coughing could be caused by a highly contagious infection called whooping cough.
You can have these repeated violent coughing spells to the point where you literally can't breathe anymore and all the air is completely expelled from the lungs, and then a violent inspiratory whoop to start breathing again can be noticed.
Dr. Savannah Stumpf with Mercy Clinic in Edmond says vaccines are the most important way to prevent whooping cough, especially in infants that can stop breathing during coughing fits. It can be treated with antibiotics, but the cough, known as pertussis, can last up to 10 weeks.
In other parts of the world, pertussis is actually known as the 100-day cough because that's literally how long it can last.
It's a long time. Whooping cough vaccines fade over time, so adults should get vaccinated every 10 years, we're told. Sinus infections, acid reflux, and even asthma, of course, can cause that cough. Levi had allergy testing done for him, and Kevin and Linda, the results will force Sheila to find the family cat a new home.
Oh, but at least they found the cause.
Exactly.